Today we are doing a 20-minute lower body workout that is knee friendly. If your knees bother you when you do leg workouts, this is the workout for you. I'm currently dealing with a little bit of a knee injury, so in this workout, I'm not gonna be going as deep, and we're gonna spend some time in the warm-up, getting our body warmed up so that our knees and our joints feel really good during this workout. This low impact dumbbell leg workout is perfect if you are short on time as well and you have 20 minutes or less. Throughout this workout, if you feel like you could challenge yourself and grab heavier dumbbells, feel free to do so. If you don't have heavier dumbbells but you want to challenge yourself, feel free to add on some extra repetitions. You can come back and repeat this workout every single week. And each week or every other week, I want you to challenge yourself by either increasing the weight that you're using or adding on more repetitions. And while you're here, why don't you commit to being a part of the Strong Sisters United community? We are so excited to welcome you in with open arms. I created this community when I felt pretty lonely on my journey, and I felt like it would be awesome to have like-minded individuals there to help support me and for me to help support them and be able to cheer each other on. So be sure to join the group through the link in the description. But first, let's warm up. All right, I'm gonna give you a preview of the next exercise that we're going to be doing so you can grab your dumbbells and prepare. We're gonna start off with a kickstand squat. So I want you to plant your right foot and then step back with your left foot and keep about 20% of your weight on that foot that is acting as a kickstand. I want 80% or more of that weight on your front foot that you are weight bearing with. Then we're gonna hold a dumbbell up at our chest and we're gonna follow along on each side. Then we're gonna superset this. Then we're gonna be supersetting this movement with a good morning. I want you to take a dumbbell and place it behind your neck. And if that feels a little scary and intimidating to you, you can totally just follow along with your body weight and have your hands behind your head. We're gonna push our butt back to the wall behind us, loading up that tension and weight in our glutes and our hamstrings. Then you're gonna push through to a standing position and repeat. Now, let's give it a whirl. Time seems endless, but nothing's going.
Cause you know so beautiful. Cause you know the world is beautiful. Cause you know the world is beautiful, so beautiful. Cause you know the world is beautiful. Cause you know the world is beautiful. Cause you know the world is beautiful, so beautiful, so beautiful.
I don't know about you, but my legs are feeling warm now. For our next superset, we're gonna hold a dumbbell up at our chest and we're gonna take a really wide stance. I want your feet to be outside shoulder width and turn your toes slightly outwards. From here, I want you to squat down as deep as you can. Even if that's a very small little squat, that's totally fine. I just want you to do whatever feels comfortable. We're gonna be targeting our inner thighs, our glutes, our quads, our hamstrings. We are targeting all of the leg with this exercise. Then we're gonna superset it with a wide stance or a sumo stance, Romanian deadlift. You're gonna hold one dumbbell in between your legs and keep your arms nice and straight this entire time. From here, I want you to have a slight bend in your knee and push your butt back to the wall behind you. All right, we're gonna move down to the floor, and I want you to lay on your side with your hand supporting your head and your bottom leg bent. So I want you to have a 90-degree angle at your bottom leg, and I want you to keep your top leg super straight. From here, you're going to raise and lower your top leg. Make sure that you feel this in the side of your glutes. It's gonna be hard to not feel that one. Then we are going to go into a single leg glute bridge. So you're gonna lay on your back and have one foot flat on the floor. The other foot can be up like mine is at this 90-degree angle. And from here, you're going to press your hips up as high as you can, fully extending your hips and then lowering them back down. I want you to take this movement very slow and just do the best you can because it can feel challenging, but with time and as you repeat this workout, you are going to get so great at this movement.